equation, we are given the standard, we have to find the standard form of the hyperbola when it is given that the endpoints of the transverse axis are 0, 10, and 0, minus 10, and the asymptote is y is equal to 5 over 9x. Okay. So if the transverse axis endpoints are given, and if we notice carefully, its x coordinate is 0, right? X coordinate is 0 means that it lies on the y-axis. So let's say this is 0, 10, and let's say this is 0 and negative 10. So definitely, if these are the endpoints, then the hyperbola is going to look something like this. So it's going to look so this is a case of a vertical hyperbola, in other words, right? And we know that for vertical hyperbola, the general equation is y square over a square minus x square over b square is equal to 1, where a is the distance between these 2 points. So this is 10, this is 10, this is also 10. So this becomes 20 units, right? This becomes 20 units. But a is nothing but the semi transverse axis, right? So we know the value of 2a is 20. So the value of a comes out as 10. So let's substitute 10 over here. So we'll have y square over a square, which is 10 square, which is 100. And over here, minus x square over b square is equal to 1. All right, so now we have to find the value of b as well. So that's where the equation of the asymptote comes in. So for a hyperbola, for a vertical hyperbola like this, the general equation of the asymptote is given by y is equal to a over b x. Right. All right. So it's a over b x over here. So in this case, we are going to have this means that the value of a over b is 5 over 9, right? So we'll say that this implies that the value of a over b is 5 over 9. The value of a is already 10 for us. We already found that. So 10 over b is 5 over 9, which means that 5 times 2 is 10. And if we multiply 9 both the sides, we have 18 is equal to b. And if we flip the equation, then b is equal to 18, and we have to plug in 18 square, which is nothing but 324. So the final answer comes out as y square over 100 minus x square over 324, and that is equal to 1. That is the final answer. So option D. Thank you.